Welcome back to Living Plantfully and welcome to a new series. Today is the first video in a series of videos called Quick Easy Vegan Meals. So today I'm showing you guys how to make homemade fajitas, and to start off we're going to be making the fajita seasoning. So in a small bowl you want to combine some chili powder, some cumin, oregano, paprika, garlic, onion powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of chipotle or cayenne if you want a little bit of heat in there. So go ahead and mix that together using a fork so that all of the spices are nice and combined, and you can store this in a airtight container for a while. So in a large pan you want to add some oil and then toss in some thinly sliced white onions as well as some thinly sliced green bell pepper or red bell pepper or whatever kind of bell pepper you'd like. So go ahead and toss that in our oil, and we want this to basically get a little bit of color as well as cook up a bit. So once those have acquired a little bit of color and have cooked up quite a bit, then we can go ahead and toss in our veggie mock meats. And in this case, I'm going to be doing chicken and beef. So for chicken, I'm using the Beyond Meat grilled chicken strips. These were really good, super high in protein. And for beef, I'm using the Morningstar Veggie Meal Starter steak strips, and these were also very flavorful. So go ahead and add that into there and just toss everything around together. So go ahead and toss in as much of that fajita seasoning as you would like. I usually use, for this amount of veggies and mock meat, usually use about 1.5 tablespoons. So then you just want to toss everything together, make sure that all of our veggies and veggie meat are coated in the delicious fajita seasoning. Then you want to top that so that our veggie meat can cook up since they were frozen. Go ahead and give that another little toss, and then we're going to be adding in some more color by adding in some sliced red tomatoes. Toss that around again just so that our tomatoes get coated in some of the fajita seasoning as well. And then you want to place a lid on top of it one more time so that our tomatoes have a chance to cook up. So after a couple of minutes, your fajitas should be pretty much 100% ready to go. If you want to add a little bit more of that fajita seasoning, go ahead and do so. And here I'm heating up some yellow corn tortillas. A little tip that I have is to heat them in a dry skillet and then place them in a clean kitchen towel. That keeps them nice and moist and warm. So then fill our tortillas up with the fajita mix, top them with some vegan sour cream, some cilantro, and a little bit of salsa on the side, and there you go. Super easy vegan fajitas. Quick, easy meals. I love this dish. If you like it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.